Want to replace your microwave's transformer? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A pair of pliers, a new transformer, and a screwdriver. Step 1. Remove the housing. Loosen the screws on the back and possibly the side. Then you can easily take off the top and side panels. Note: despite being unplugged, parts of the microwave may still be under high voltage. Connect the two contacts of the capacitor with insulated pliers to discharge it. Then disconnect the contact. Step 2. Remove the old transformer. First, disconnect the transformer's wiring. The transformer is attached to the bottom of the device with screws. Lay the microwave down on its side so that you can unscrew the screws at the bottom. Once these are unscrewed, you can remove the transformer from the microwave. Step 3. Place the new transformer. Place the new transformer where the old transformer was and screw the screws back in place. Then put the device back upright and connect the wiring to the new transformer. Step 4. Replace the housing. Slide the panels back onto the microwave. Then retighten the screws at the back and possibly the side. You have replaced the transformer and the microwave is ready to use again.